Hello, this is Henry, and I'm here to do a recap on my trades today. My first trade was on GPS. GPS set a price level at 1160 with a 9:30, 9:45, and 10 a.m. candle. So you can see the triangle forming here. I entered the position. I didn't like the price action. I exited, it broke down, reversed, came back around. That's fine. My second trade was on HPQ. Notice HPQ setting up in the 9:30, 9:45, and the 11 a.m. candle. You'll see the price level that's here. And you'll see the triangle here. Again, price action, very erratic. Doji. It actually made a stronger move up in this candle, but then this area just wicked, and I actually missed my profit target in this area. Pulled back, popped back up again, hit my target. I got a split fill, came back to break even, stopped out. Next trade was on CLDR. CLDR sold off this morning and then started consolidating. You can see here on the 60, the 30, the 15, but on the 30 and the 15, you'll see with volume by price that it's consolidating here at this point of control. So I entered the position here, and let's draw the level. And you see the triangle here. So I entered the position. I like the price action, even though it was moving pretty slow. And I put on a second piece here. It broke down, consolidated some more before shaking out the weak hands and then making the move down. I wasn't interested in holding on to this long. I had a tight stop, and if it didn't meet my trade requirements, I wasn't interested. So after this, I moved on. The next trade was MDT. MDT, you'll see here at the 115 candle, the 145 candle, and again here at the 2 o'clock candle. It's set up. Let's draw that one a little neater if we can. Okay, you see the level here, it breaks out. I entered in two positions here. It broke out, pulled back. I put some more on it, popped back up. I wasn't sure if I was going to get much follow through or continuation on this, but I partialed, I think, from 102.69 up to 102.83 with a high of 184 at this candle. Couldn't survive, pulled back, came back to my break even, stopped out, popped up, fell back off. And my last trade today was on GLUU. End of the day, I didn't expect much out of it, but it set up and figured I'd have a look at it. So it's set up here at this 898 level. So you'll see the triangle forming there. So I entered, again, wiki price action, same thing here. This actually wicked down to 892, and when I entered this, I was hoping to see if we can get a break of low of the day. The SPY was selling off at the end of the day. So once we broke this point of control here and here, I thought we had a good chance, but when it snapped back from 892, I just started on this next candle, just started parceling down to 891. This got down to 890, but I wouldn't have been able to take a partial at 890. But last partial at 891, all out, and then still wiki there at the end. But that's my trading day. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, just feel free to leave it in the tab below. Thanks. Happy trading.